Nationalism has shaped history for centuries, and in the 21st century, it continues to influence politics, culture, and society. From historical roots to contemporary movements, understanding nationalism requires examining both its consequences and the paths it may take in the future. The consequences of nationalism are complex. On one hand, it can unite populations, preserve culture, and strengthen social cohesion. Nations can cultivate a shared identity, pride in heritage, and collective purpose. Policies emphasizing language, education, and cultural traditions reinforce continuity and foster community. In post-colonial and post-conflict societies, nationalism has been a tool for rebuilding and asserting sovereignty. Yet the darker side of nationalism is equally clear. History demonstrates that extreme nationalist movements can lead to exclusion, xenophobia, and violence. In the 20th century, unchecked nationalism fueled authoritarian regimes, wars, and mass atrocities. Even in the modern era, nationalist rhetoric can polarize societies, marginalize minorities, and undermine democratic institutions. The line between pride in one's nation and hostility toward others remains fragile. In contemporary politics, the consequences of nationalism are evident worldwide. In Europe, nationalist parties influence immigration policy, EU relations, and domestic legislation. In the United States, debates over borders, economic policy, and cultural identity are shaped by nationalist sentiment. Across Asia and Africa, nationalist policies impact economic development, regional power dynamics, and social cohesion. The effects are diverse, reflecting the adaptability of nationalism to local contexts. Globalization complicates this picture. As nations interact economically and culturally, nationalist movements often arise in response to perceived threats to sovereignty, culture, or economic stability. Technology and social media amplify these movements, giving them unprecedented reach and influence. Nationalism today is not confined by geography. It is a global phenomenon, interconnected yet rooted in local identity. Before we continue, if you're fascinated by how nationalism is shaping the modern world, take a moment to like this video, share it, and comment on which consequence of nationalism you think will have the greatest impact. Don't forget to subscribe to @Looking Back in Time for more in-depth historical documentaries. Looking to the future, nationalism will likely remain a powerful force. Economic uncertainty, cultural change, and political tension provide fertile ground for its continued influence. Yet history also offers guidance. Nations that balance identity with cooperation, pride with inclusivity, and sovereignty with global responsibility are more likely to harness nationalism constructively. Education and historical awareness are critical. Understanding past movements, their causes, successes, and failures provides insight into navigating the present. Citizens, leaders, and policymakers who recognize the patterns of history can anticipate risks, mitigate extremism, and promote constructive forms of national pride. The consequences of nationalism are not uniform. In some contexts, it strengthens democracy and social cohesion. In others, it fosters division and conflict. Its future will depend on how societies interpret identity, manage diversity, and address economic and political challenges. Nationalism is neither inherently good nor bad. It is a tool shaped by leadership, context, and values. As we conclude the series, one lesson is clear. Nationalism remains a defining force in global politics. Its echoes of the past are visible in contemporary movements, shaping decisions, alliances, and public sentiment. By studying its history and understanding its present manifestations, we gain perspective on its potential trajectories and impacts. Ultimately, the future of nationalism is intertwined with the choices societies make. Will it be a force for unity, preservation, and progress? Or will it lead to division, exclusion, and conflict? History, as always, provides the lens through which we can anticipate outcomes and strive for a balance that honors identity while fostering cooperation in an interconnected world. Nationalism, once a force of the past, remains alive, evolving, and influential. Its story continues, reminding us that understanding history is not just an academic exercise. It is essential for shaping a future where nations can thrive without repeating the mistakes of the past.